Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Michaela Does DIY. Today I'm going to be doing my garage door because it is black and it gets so hot. I need to keep the sun off the garage door, so I'm going to paint it kind of a white. So first of all, I've primed it with this Bullseye 123. So I primed the whole thing. I primed the metal door and the frame, wooden frame, and then I'm going to paint it this colour here. It's called Alberta. It's just a B&Q one, and this one was £38. This is what I've got up to. So I primed it first. I've done a first layer of paint on the frame, and I'm starting to do a first coat on the metal door now. And this is my tools here. So what we got is a high dense roller, whatever it is, and we're now going to be doing rails, whatever they're called. And then we get the brush and we're going to lay off that paint there. I must stress I'm a complete beginner. I've never done anything like this before. I've not painted anything before. So I'll keep going with that and then I'll show you at the end.